So in this example, I have sine x multiplied by secant x plus cosecant x equals to tan x plus 1. So now you see here, that's the more complicated side, so I want to expand it. Secant is 1 over cosine x. Cosecant is 1 over sine x. So I multiply this sine into here. It's going to be sine x divided by cosine x plus sine x divided by sine x. So it's going to be tan x, and here is going to be sine x divided by sine x is going to be 1. So basically that's proven what we have here. Another method, if we want to go from right to left, if we look at here, we just need to basically factor sine. So tan x plus 1 is the same as sine x over cosine x, and here we have sine x divided by sine x, because that's 1. So now if I factor sine, it's going to be 1 over cosine plus 1 over sine x. So it's going to be sine x, 1 over cosine is secant x, 1 over sine x is going to be cosecant x. So that's what you have here.